Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and would you just look at this? This is the Kingbull bike. This is absolutely incredible because it's got these big fat tires that are going to make off-roading, beach riding, riding trails in the mountains, even just if your city has a lot of potholes like mine does right now after our last hurricane, this is going to be a great option for you. Definitely great for those outdoor enthusiasts and hunters. I know that you guys love these big fat tires and the option to fold this up. So even though it is a larger e-bike, it's still something that you can fold up, fold here and here, so you can put this in the back of your ATV or your SUV, or even store this in a smaller garage or apartment. It also has some really cool features and functions. We are going to talk about all of those while I do my test drive. I really have enjoyed riding this. It is large enough to get me where I want to go and make it seem easy, effortless. You're just gliding right across. Even when you switch terrain, you go from the grass to the asphalt, you hit a new sidewalk, a pothole, or take this on some trails, and you're still going to have a really smooth ride. Now, I love the white color. That's my personal favorite, but definitely check out the listing because you're gonna have several options. This has some great brakes, a long range, huge battery right here that's going to keep you riding for a very long time. And of course, you have that big motor that's going to allow you to go pretty darn fast. So let's check this out. You've got a really comfortable seat. You've got the rack right here in the back to where you have options for additional accessories and storage. Of course, those big tires, we're going to talk a lot about those because I think that's probably the coolest part of this bike. You've got the cool throttle design. I really love that. So you've got the twisting throttle where you just pull back to enable that pedal assist. And of course, that pedal assist has several levels where you are able to choose exactly how much work you want to do and how much work you want the Kingbull to do for you on that given day. I love being able to switch it up. You do have a horn and you've got lights, and all of those things are great to make this a very nice, safe bike. I mean, check this out. This actually has an enormous front headlight, and that's great. So you can take this truly outdoors and use this, whether it's in the city or whether it's out doing some hunting at night. You're going to be able to illuminate a large area. It's got a big screen right here that's going to tell you all of your metrics, how long you've been riding for, your range, your battery life, and of course how much pedal assist you're using currently. But you're also going to have room right here, and I really love this, for your smartphone. You're going to be able to put that right here, and that's going to give you additional means for directions or listening to your favorite podcast, movies, etc. This does have 7-speed over here, pretty standard. Just so if you're familiar with a 7-speed bike, it's going to work exactly the same way, except with the additional pedal assist. So it is the best of both worlds. I love the folding feature. I love how comfortable and smooth this is with the incredible dual suspension. And of course, those big tires are insane. They are going to make your life so much easier. I cannot wait to get out and enjoy my afternoon ride, and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. Please stick around so we can learn even more about this fabulous bike together. Thank you. So let's dive in and see what makes this e-bike really stand out. We'll start with the Literider's design. Kingbull built this bike with a sturdy one-piece frame made from upgraded 6061 aluminum alloy. This frame isn't just sleek, but it's also strong enough to handle a payload of up to 400 pounds, making it a reliable choice for carrying cargo or even gear for a camping trip. The step-through design makes it easy to hop on and hop off, which is especially helpful for riders of all ages and all skill levels. It really enhances the convenience of the Literider. One of the biggest highlights of this bike is its battery. This e-bike is equipped with a powerful 48 volt / 15 amp lithium battery, which gives you impressive range of over 50 miles on a single charge. That's plenty for a day of exploring, commuting, or even some off-road fun. And with the fast charger, you can fully recharge the battery in just 4 to 5 hours. So you're ready to go in no time. Kingbull's built-in battery design doesn't just look good. It's built to be waterproof, explosion-proof, and even fireproof, giving you confidence and security in any situation. So let's talk power. The Literider features a 750 watt geared hub motor with a peak torque of 80 Newton meters, which allows you to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. This motor provides smooth and consistent power that's also quiet, so it's great for those who want both performance and also a peaceful ride. Whether you're on city streets or tackling some trails, the Literider delivers solid performance. The Literider's handlebar design is all about convenience and comfort. It has an intuitive power switch, riding mode settings, and a smooth throttle and gear shifter for easy adjustments while you're on the move. The bright LED display lets you keep track of your speed, your mileage, and the battery life at a glance. And with the ergonomic grips, you'll get a high quality feel that's anti-slip and comfortable for longer rides. One of the most impressive features of the Literider is how easy it is to fold and transport. With a 3-step fold-unfold design, you can fold it down in about 10 seconds. This makes it incredibly practical if you want to stow in the trunk of your car or store it in a smaller place. It's perfect for RV trips, camping, or even commuting if you need to bring it on public transportation. The Literider really lets you roam freely without the hassle of a bulky bike. Kingbull designed the Literider with a high level of adjustability to ensure a comfortable ride for a wide range of riders. The seat can be adjusted from 32.2 all the way up to 40 inches, and it has a sturdy frame to support different heights and sizes. This flexibility means you can find the perfect riding position, making it comfortable for longer rides and quick commutes alike. You guys, seriously, what a fantastic e-bike. I absolutely love this one. I know you guys are gonna love it as well. The Kingbull just looks fantastic. You know, it looks cool. It's a head turner for sure. I love these fat tires. I love the big safety, bright lights. I also love how comfortable this is. So it does have the step-through design. It's got a really, really comfortable seat. And with this superior suspension in combination with those big wheels, it's going to allow you a really, really smooth and comfortable ride, whether you are off-roading in some really, really rugged terrain or you're just riding down your city streets. This is going to be a great bike for you. I love all the colors. I love the optional accessories. And you know what? I'm going to leave the links in the description below for you so you can check all of those out, shop around, and find out your favorite bike. I really, really like this one because you've got your phone right here, you've got your screen right here telling you all of your metrics, you're able to turn those lights, hit your horn right here, enable pedal assist, adjust your gears, hit your brakes. It's all really, really convenient. It's comfortable, it's smooth, and of course it's got that throttle that I absolutely love. White is my favorite color for this, but you know what? I encourage you guys to check out and pick out your favorite. The Kingbull is a really, really beast of a bike. You guys are gonna love this one. Maybe someone on your Christmas list or your holiday shopping list is going to really enjoy this one as well. So definitely do not forget to check out all the links that I leave for you below. And as always, leave me a comment, ask me a question, or just get in touch. Maybe hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you have not already and you would like to see more fun content like this. I always appreciate you guys. Adios amigos. I'm gonna go get a little bit more exercise in and enjoy this beautiful weather. I hope you guys do the same.